Good day, everyone. Are you ready to supercharge your cybersecurity skills? Today, we're diving into 5 game-changing cybersecurity tools that every professional should have in their arsenal. Stick around until the end because the 5th tool is an absolute game-changer that you won't want to miss. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. In a world where cyber threats lurk around every corner, mastering these tools is your first line of defense against malicious attacks, unauthorized data access, and identity theft. Let's get started! Kali Linux. Imagine having the ultimate Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity. This is Kali Linux. It's a powerhouse operating system loaded with a treasure trove of tools for security auditing and vulnerability scanning. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, Kali Linux has something for everyone. Ready to unleash its full potential? Metasploit. Next, we have Metasploit, the secret weapon of penetration testers worldwide. Picture yourself uncovering hidden vulnerabilities in networks and systems with surgical precision. Metasploit's robust toolset empowers you to build rock-solid defenses and achieve your security goals. It's time to become the cyber detective you were meant to be. John the Ripper. Ever wondered if your passwords are as strong as they should be? Meet John the Ripper, the ultimate password cracking tool. By revealing weak passwords, it helps you shore up your defenses and protect against breaches. Originally designed for Unix, John now supports a range of platforms including Windows and OpenBSD. Are your passwords ready for the challenge? Now a word from our sponsor. Get a 128 TB Veeam, Rubric, and Commvault immutable and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $99.95. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Wireshark. Formerly known as Ethereal, Wireshark is the superhero of packet analyzers. Imagine having X-ray vision for your network traffic, allowing you to spot vulnerabilities in real time. Wireshark gives you a detailed view of network protocols and traffic patterns, providing the insights you need to safeguard your systems. Ready to see through the noise? Nikto. Last but not least, we have Nikto, the vigilant sentinel of web servers. With a database of over 6,400 security checks, Nikto scans for vulnerabilities and alerts you to potential threats. It's like having a cybersecurity watchdog guarding your web servers around the clock. Are you prepared to stay one step ahead of the hackers? By mastering these tools, you and your organization can dramatically enhance your cybersecurity posture. So, are you ready to take your cybersecurity skills to the next level? Let's dive in and start exploring. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which cybersecurity tool do you find most intriguing and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation started.